Let me be right back. I'll be right back, all right, sir?
Am I being detained?
Do you feel like you're being detained? Sir, listen.
You know, the words matter.
Yeah, I understand what you're saying.
Hi. You may remember me. I was here last week sometime.
And you got that camera recording at me. I can't even talk.
See if these people respect our First Amendment rights.
This is crazy.
Then let's discontinue the recording.
You can't be in the building without an ID. You can't be in the building without an ID.
Our right to film our state employees. It's a public building, is it not? Is it illegal for me to go into public?
Well, if you want to go over there, then.
This is working for all of us.
I'm very aware of my rights as an American citizen.
We got 1, 2. There's 4, 5, 6. Another camera there. I hope you're aware of mine too.
Where would you put your videos?
I'm gonna post this on YouTube.
YouTube? You'll put me on YouTube? Oh. Okay.
Well, then now you can understand how it works both ways, right?
This is what the day was going to do. They got everybody involved.
I'm in a public place. I'm a member of the public. How are you? I'm an American citizen. I'm conducting business with my state employees. Kind of like undercover boss type situation, if you will.
Well, you can't do any video whatsoever. This equipment is not allowed without, without.
That's not true. That's not true.
This is not undercover boss, though.
Oh, that's fine. I'm fine. It's totally legal.
Yep. They're asking me to have a seat over there, sir. Okay? Yep. Yep. Somebody's gonna come down and talk to you.
I'm looking forward to it, sir. Thank you. We're good, right? I'm willing to go ahead and get arrested to stand up for our rights and educate the public.
Let's do this then.
I'm just gonna see it because we're not sure if you can record this right now.
Well, I mean, it should be pretty easy to figure out. It's the First Amendment right. There's absolutely nothing illegal about filming public officials in public. Somebody's got to do it, right? Well, that's a First Amendment audit fail right there. If a public employee doesn't want to be filmed, they should get a job in the private sector. People's rights get violated every day. There's people getting arrested and beat up, and they're not even breaking any laws. You have no expectation of privacy in the public. And if you're a public employee, you have no expectation of privacy while you're at work because you're serving the public.
If you know that, they gonna get you in trouble. If you know that, they gonna get you in trouble. If you know that, they gonna get you in trouble.
It's sociopaths and tyrants like that who are trying to violate my rights over his feelings and his ignorance of the law. He's ready to destroy my life, law enforcement, and the relationship between the state and the citizens. This is a great way to educate people on both sides of that issue. Do you want to call the cops on me? Go ahead. I'm not doing anything wrong. And then in the end, he will be educated and maybe he'll stop violating people's rights. Maybe people can actually go around and exercise their rights. Rights are like muscles. If you don't go out and exercise your rights, they're going to fade away. They're going to fade away. Good. How are you? They kind of stopped me from finishing my business. In fact, I'd like them identified.
Because of everything that's going on with this COVID-19 stuff, because we got 2 signs posted there on the door, all I would ask you to do is just complete your business quick as you can, and then I'm going to ask you to leave.
Doesn't just happen to the inner city kids. I think this is going to help make all of our lives better. I'm here to hold everyone accountable.
They don't like the fact that you're wearing a hat.
I'm not taking my hat off. I figured the hat would be a problem for some folks here, but that's not my problem.
And then we're going to send it up to the group that actually reviews all of this, because we don't do it in our team at all. We just take in the information.
Now, who is the group? Is that like a table of czars, or is there like accountability involved? How do they have like a protocol that they follow?
I would not know.
Is there a way to get in contact with them?
They got everybody in zone. So
Hey, how you doing, sir?
I'm doing well.
So I'm going to make these.
And I'm just filming my state employees in their official public capacity as a member of the public. And my engagement here with them.
Right. But it's just like something going on specifically at all, or what?
I just told you I'm here conducting business relative to my state tax return. That's specifically why I'm here.
Okay. But they're helping you out, though, right?
Are you a police officer?
Yes.
What's your name and badge number? Excellent. What's your badge number? Is that on there?
Yes.
Mr. Homa?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you for your service. But yeah, I have no ill will, no nefarious intent. There's some people here very uncomfortable being filmed, but their feelings don't trump my rights.
Okay, it's all right, okay.
That stuff doesn't trump our rights or change the Constitution. Yeah.
Yeah, no,
So
that's okay.
this is a First
All right,
Amendment
sir,
protected
so
activity.
they're helping you. Let me be right back. I'll be right back, all right, sir?
Am I being detained?
All right, do you feel like you're being detained?
No, but you said you'll be right back, meaning like I have to wait here for you?
Sir, listen.
You know, the words matter.
Yeah, I
Words
understand
matter.
what you're saying, but I don't think you're being detained right now.
Okay, thank you. I didn't think so either. Yeah, a couple, 2, 3 tyrants working for the state. They don't like being on film. I wonder if they have something to hide. Alright, so this has been a failed First Amendment audit at the Department of Revenue Service, 450 Columbus Boulevard, Hartford, Connecticut, and the socialist racketeering state, capital city of Hartford.